Hi, I'm John with WTI. Are you looking for a way to get a little bit more mushroom in your diet? Or maybe you're just looking to reduce some of the caffeine that you take in per day? Well, I've been drinking this Real Mushrooms hot chocolate, and I really like it. Now, a few things that I love about it is one, you get 500 grams of mushrooms per serving. So mushrooms have been known to really help your body, help you to be healthy. So this is one way to get all those good nutrients in your body without having to eat a bit of mushroom every day. I also love it because it's organic. So if you look at the ingredients, it's organic cocoa powder, organic coconut sugar, organic vanilla. Everything is organic. It tastes amazing. So you don't even know that you're drinking any kind of mushroom. It just tastes like hot chocolate. It doesn't taste like a chemical or an artificial chocolate, but because it's organic cocoa powder, it's very good tasting. It's not too sweet. There is some sweetness there, but it's not too sweet. Now, sometimes we have it with soy milk. Sometimes we have it with regular milk. Personally, I like to just quickly throw it in the blender. It blends up amazing. If you just want to stir it in, it works well too. But for me, I love just throwing it in the blender and it really gets it nice and creamy. What's amazing is that it's only 60 calories. So if you're trying to watch your calorie intake and you have it with water, there's hardly any calories and only 6 grams of sugar. So with this, you're getting a pretty awesome hot chocolate drink without all those extra calories, with all that sugar. It's a great way to get all those vitamins as well and those nutrients from the mushrooms. I highly recommend it. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.